Okay, scientists, this is what I want you to do when you are finished with your cell as a system project where you compare the cell parts to parts of your system. You're going to go into Discovery Education and you're going to go to the cell as a system unit. You can get to it here. It's called Cancer, Something is Wrong with the System. Or remember, you can always go down into your digital science textbook and go to the cell as a system unit. Okay, so what you're going to do is review the Engage page. So review all the information on the Engage page and go to the next page. And there are 2 Explore pages. You might review all of the information on both of these pages. Okay, here's the second page. So review, make sure you understand all of this. Watch the videos, do the interactives, review the answers to your questions. See, now that you've learned more, if you would change your answers. When you've completed both the Engage and the Explore page, if you would like, you could check out the Explore More resources page just to build your background knowledge of how cells work as a system. Okay, and when you're ready, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to this Evaluate page. And on the Evaluate page, I want you to review all of this information here. And then there's a Check for Your Understanding practice assessment. So you click on that and go ahead and take this practice assessment. This is going to give you a sense of what you know and maybe some areas you need to study before you try and go for a 4 and take the summative assessment at the end of the chapter. So answer all the questions in the practice assessment. And when you feel like you know everything, I would review them. If you miss something, go back and see if you can figure out what the right answer is. And when you're ready to go for a 4 and take the real summative assessment, go ahead and go back up to Discovery Ed. Go click that logo at the top. And it's going to take you back into your home page. One of the assignments is the Cell as a System Summative Assessment. And remember from your rubric, if you score 8 or more points on this, then you'll get a 4 on this standard on your report card. But you can only take it once, so don't take it until you think you're ready. All right, so when you get here, you're just going to hit open the assignment and take it. And good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. Okay.